Page 78. Reading 1. Lava Boat Tour. Page 78. Reading 1. Lava Boat Tour.
We saw the steam from far away. Is that smoke from lava? I asked the tour guide Kala. Our tour boat was still far away from the volcano.
Actually, it's steam,
she said.
Hawaii is a chain of islands that are ancient volcanoes. Some of them still erupt, like this one, Kilauea. They're actually mountains that are so tall they reach up from the bottom of the ocean. They're very, very old.
But what causes the steam?
Mom asked. Kala said,
Lava is very hot. It consists of melted rock. In fact, the lava is so hot that it makes the seawater boil when it reaches the ocean.
Just like when Dad makes spaghetti,
said my little brother. Kala smiled.
That's right. When water gets hot, it changes to steam, whether it's on your stove or at the foot of a volcano.
The boat drew closer, and we could see the hot red lava flow off the land and into the water. It changed from bright red to black as it cooled.
This lava came all the way from the crater at the top of the volcano, traveling miles to get here. Sometimes, lava covers roads that are in its path.
From her pocket, Kala took a gray stone and a shiny lump of black glass.
This isn't glass from a window. This is volcanic glass. It forms when lava cools really fast. This other stone is called pumice.
She handed it to me. It was scratchy and rough and full of holes.
It shows that the lava cooled slowly. The holes are evidence that the lava contained a lot of gases trapped inside it.
I turned the rough rock over in my hands. What happens after the lava cools?
The lava becomes new land. That's how the Hawaiian Islands have grown. When the rock is cool enough, plants will start growing. Old lava and ash form very good soil. That's why Hawaii's farms are so productive.
Dad said,
I thought all volcanoes erupted with a lot of explosions. I've read about other eruptions that threw big rocks high into the air.
Kala nodded.
Some volcanoes have explosive eruptions. They release a lot of rocks and ash. Others, like this one, produce smoother lava that flows, similar to chocolate syrup.
I wouldn't want that on my ice cream, I said. Everyone laughed.